Hello students, in this video I will discuss with you question 12 divide and check the answer of unit 1 review exercise first A. As you know students that division is the shorter way to do repeated subtraction. Yes, it is the shorter way to do the repeated subtraction of a number from another number. Now let us see one example of division. Suppose you have to divide 37 by 3. So how you will divide? So see what we call these terms which is given in division. Now see the number which you have to divide. Now see here 37 is the number which you have to divide. So the number which we are dividing is known as dividend. The number which we are dividing is known as dividend, and the number by which this number is to be divided is known as divisor. By which the number have to divide is known as the divisor. Okay, so from this divisor we will divide the dividend. Now if I see this 37, if I read 3 table one time, 3 1 ja 3. So this 3 get cancelled, 0, 3 minus 3 0. Now 7 is left. So how many times I read 3 table to get 7? So in 3 table there is no 7, so less than 7. 3 2 ja 6. So 7 minus 6 1. So the whatever is left down in division is known as remainder. Whatever is left down is known as remainder, and how many times we have read the table to get the number is known as the quotient. This is known as the quotient. So these are the basic things in division: divisor, dividend, quotient and remainder. If you have to check your division is correct or not, so you can apply this formula like dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend means here 37 is equal to divisor. What is divisor? 3 into quotient. What is quotient? 12 plus remainder. What is remainder? 1. Let us see this one. Divisor is here 3. Divisor into what we have to do? Quotient. What is quotient? 12 plus remainder 1. Now 3 12 ja 36 plus 1 37. Now see, this is 37 means dividend. What is your dividend? 37. It means your answer is correct. In case of if there is no remainder, sometimes what happens, the numbers get cancelled and the remainder gets 0. So at that time what the formula will apply? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient only. There is no remainder. Divisor into quotient. For example, if 36 is the dividend and we have to divide by 3. So 3 1 ja 3, 3 minus 3 0, 6 we carry down, 3 2 ja 6. Now 6 minus 6 cancel. What is the remainder here? 0. So which formula we will apply here? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient. So these are some basic things in the division. And what is division? Yes, division is the shorter way to do repeated subtraction. Students, in class 3rd we have done the division by using repeated subtraction method. Do the division by using repeated subtraction method. For example, how we have done, let us see. Suppose you have to divide 12 by 3. So how we have done according to repeated subtraction method? We are subtracting the divisor as much time as it gets 0. So 12 minus 3, 9. Now again 9 minus 3, 6. 6 minus 3, 3. 3 minus 3, 0. Like that way we have used the repeated subtraction method in division. Now here in question 12 it is not asked to do the division according to repeated subtraction method. So we will use this method to divide this questions. So we will do one by one. See it carefully and do with me. If we have to divide 38 by 2, so we will read 2 table down. 3 is more than 2, so we will take this place only. So how many times I read 2 table? Yes, very good. 2 1 ja 2. Now we will subtract 2 from 3. We will get 1. Now we will carry this 8 down. How many? Now 1 is less than 2. So we will take both the digits together. Now how many times I read 2 table to get 18? Yes, very good. 2 9 ja 18. Now again subtract. 8 minus 8, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Now at the down what it is asking? Dividend is equal to what dividend? Divisor into quotient plus remainder. No. So what is divisor here? 2 into quotient 19 plus remainder is 0. Now see 19 2 ja 38. It is proved that we have done correct. Now see the B1. How many times we will read 3 table to get 5? As 5 is more than 3, so we will take only 5. 3 1 ja 3 minus 5 minus 3, 2. 6 we will carry. How many? Now 2 is less than 3, so we will take 26. How many times read 3 table to get 26? Now in 3 table there is not coming this number, so we will take less than this. Like 3 8 ja 24, 3 9 ja 27. So 27 is more than 26, so 3 8 ja 24 minus 6 minus 4, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. So dividend is equal to divisor. What is divisor here? 3 into quotient 18 plus remainder 2. Now see 3 18 ja or 18 3 ja 36 plus 2. Sorry, 3 18 ja 54 plus 2 56. Okay, 18 3 ja 54 plus 2 56. Now C1. 8 by 8 you have to divide 67. Now this 6 is less than 8, so we will take both the digits. Now how many times I read 8 table to get 67? 8 8 ja 64, 8 9 ja 72. 72 is more than 67, so we will take 8 8 ja 64 minus 7 minus 4, 3. 6 minus 3, 0. Now there is no further number, so this is your remainder. Now dividend is equal to divisor, that is 8 into quotient also 8 plus remainder 3. 8 8 ja 64 plus 3, 67. Now see the D1. From 12 you have to divide this 75. This is 2 digit number. Here 7 is less than 12, we will take together. 12 6 ja 72, 12 7 ja 84. So 84 is more than 75, so we will take 6 times. 12 6 ja 72 minus 5 minus 2 3, 7 minus 7 0. Now this is your remainder. Now let us see the formula. Dividend is equal to divisor, that is 12 into quotient into 6 plus remainder 3. Now 12 6 ja 72 plus 3 comes 75. So we have completed this question. Practice by yourself and learn table, because it is very important. Without that you cannot do this multiplication or division. So table is must. Learn that and do this revision in your notebook.